In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the settings in your WhatsApp group so that only admins can send the message. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your WhatsApp. And after you open up your WhatsApp, just find the group that you want to change the settings of. Now, after you open the group, just tap on the group, and after you tap on the group, you'll see the settings option. Now scroll down, and when you scroll down, you'll see the group permissions section. Tap on groups permission, and there you can see what the members can do. So here you can see the send message option. Make sure that you toggle that off. Now after you toggle that off, what happens is no one other than the admin can send messages. That is, the normal members of the group will not be able to send the messages, and you can set the other options off too so that your group members will not have any privileges. So that is how you do it, guys. That is how you change the settings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.